Hello friends, how are you? Do you know what is the very good news for all of you? That I'm going to start with the new course, and that is based on the Oracle DBA tools and utilities. Again, what is the excitement for that? The excitement is that this course is really free. You don't need to pay a single penny for this. It's completely free of cost. Now, how come I got this idea? When you work as Oracle DBA, there are many tools, software, utilities are there that you are working when you work as Oracle DBA. Now, this type of knowledge you will not get it from Google. This type of knowledge you will get it only when you are working as Oracle DBA. Now, when you go for an Oracle DBA interview, the people will ask you like, oh, okay, did you use this software? Okay, what is the purpose of this software? So this kind of question will come, and they will try to understand whether you really have the experience with this software and whether you really work as a Oracle DBA. So by looking to this scenario only, I have created this completely free of cost course for all of you. In this course, you will understand what type of tools, softwares are used by the Oracle DBA, and I'm going to show you this practically also. Now it's a completely free of cost, so obviously you can enroll for it. Now till what time it will be free of cost, I cannot tell you this right now. Maybe it is for few days, and later on you may need to pay, but don't worry about that. Those who have already registered free of cost, they don't need to pay anything in the extra. Okay, now it is completely free of cost for some limited time. Enroll for it and take the advantages of it. Now what I'm expecting from you, once you see those videos from the course, I need a feedback from all of you. There is a review section is there, and once you are done with the course, please submit your good ratings there and let me understand where we can improve also. I'm going to add more and more videos in that course. Again, it will be completely free of cost. You don't need to pay anything, right? So this offer is limited. Enroll for it, enjoy it, and let me know if you have any suggestions. And if you want me to add any other topics, you can just send me a message from our website itself. Thank you guys, and let's enjoy this course.